Shards of light fall across the floor, fractured echoes of what was before. I hear the silent scream between the walls, and every whisper fractures as it calls.